Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. It's actually Sunday night and I am in the process of getting last week's vlog ready, but I wanted to show you guys. So I'm trying out my chocolate hair shake for the very first time. This is how much you're supposed to put. It's just 2 teaspoons. And then I have my milk measured out. It doesn't look like very much though. I'm using the Silk Almond Unsweetened. And so I'm gonna pour it in and see what we're working with. It's not a very big amount, but I guess it's a little more than what I thought. But it's just a little tiny drink. It smells amazing. Oh, I'm making a mess. I opened it and smelled it, and it smells like Swiss Miss hot chocolate. So I gotta mix it up. It says to whisk it. And I actually have the tiny baby whisk. So it says whisk. I suppose you could stir. So if you guys don't know, this is basically like vitamins, minerals, everything that is great for your hair. It's also good for nails, but it's supposed to get your hair at like that optimum healthy level so that your hair can grow. You could also get this in a hot version, like hot chocolate, but I opted for the hair shake because it's going into summer and it's hot down here, and I just knew this would be a lot better option because it's like 75 degrees in our house right now. Let's try it out. This is gonna be like the perfect little nighttime sweet treat. Oh my god, it looks like I have a mustache because I did my lip swatching video. All right, it's a hit. So I'm gonna drink my hair shake and I'm gonna be drinking it every day. And we're gonna see how my hair does. So you guys are looking at day 1. This is my hair length. Let's see if it grows. And I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Thursday. I honestly do not remember the last time I vlogged. And I think I'm just failing miserably. So I think I vlogged Sunday night. I really don't even know if I vlogged Monday. Like, I don't know what I've been doing. But I've been working Monday through Thursday because I'm off this weekend. I'm off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I plan to go to my parents, hang out with them. We're gonna celebrate my dad's birthday and Zach's birthday. I want to pick up my dad one more thing. I got him that movie I showed you in, I don't know if it was my last vlog or the one before that, but I want to get him something else, even if it's just something small. He really loves Hershey Kisses with almonds, so I might just get him a big bag of those. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'm driving to work. It's like 7:30 in the morning, and I'm like praying I'm gonna make it on time because traffic is insane. I don't know, just when you think it's getting better, like the last couple days it's been pretty good. Not today. And I have on the Too Faced Born This Way today, and I actually really like the way that it looks. I used Born This Way for a while, and then I felt like, oh, I didn't really love it that much. I feel like as your skin like changes through the seasons, like you go back and forth, at least I do. Where I'm like, oh, I love Fenty, and now, oh, I love Born This Way. So that's my chin. My chin's looking like extra strong right now. What is going on? So I currently have 2 giveaways that you guys can enter. One is in my spring lookbook. That one is with a watch company. They're really cute. I love the watch. You'll see it if you haven't seen that video already. And then my teeth whitening video, you can enter to win a teeth whitening kit, which is the T3 sensitive one, which is the one I use. I'm gonna end this little clip right now so I can focus on driving and getting to work, but I will check in with you guys later and I'll talk to you then. Hey guys, it is Friday. I am off for the weekend. It is about 1 o'clock. I had to wait and kind of get up and wait for someone to come and take a look at our AC because it wasn't really working that well. And then I got a package. I also painted my nails, which you guys probably never seen me with painted nails, or it's been a long time. Yeah, I don't know. It looks and feels weird to me, but my nails will grow, but I have to like keep polishing them and taking care of them. So I'm gonna open this package with you. It's something I ordered from Walmart. So this is a tripod. I'm gonna take it out and make sure that it fits my camera. It was really, really inexpensive. It's kind of like the Gorilla one, but that one's like $60 and this cost me like $8. So I'm going to open it up and see, make sure that it actually fits onto my camera and all that good stuff. But hopefully this will make vlogging a lot easier, and then I can kind of like attach it to different things so I can vlog more easily for you guys. So I'm going to open it up and play with that, and then I'm going to eat some lunch and then I'm going to be heading to my parents. So I will take you guys with me. All right, guys, I have it on my little tripod now. I'm hoping it'll be a lot steadier now that I can hold it more reasonably. So let's look at Sally. What's up, baby? She was so scared of the man who was working on our air. She had to go hide in the closet. But now she's out being, hey, don't bite me. Don't bite me. I love you. Oh, don't know. Bad girl. Yeah, they're all in your personal space, huh? Say hey. No, don't scratch them. Don't scratch them. They're my friends. You're like, that doesn't mean I like them. She's so bitchy. Okay. Look at those claws. She's a killer. She's a killer. Okay. Okay, crazy. Where's everybody else? Mr. Minas? Hi. Hi. Do I seem less shaky with my camera, Mr. Minas? Okay, sorry. Freshly painted nails, they hate the smell. Sorry. I'll wash my hands in just a second. Had to make sure they were super dry. What are you doing with your paws? Hmm? You flexing on me? Okay. There's the Tina. Hi, Tina. I gotta clean your pizza. It's so hairy. Yeah, you love to sniff the camera. You're so gorgeous. You're so gorgeous, Bean. Look at the colors. Look at the foot. Look at the foot. Okay, Bean. One more kitty. Where is Sniffy's? Where is Sniffy's? Laying in the sun on the bed. Hi. Hi, Punkins. Hi, you want to sniff it? Hi. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. No nasty smell, I'm sorry. I'm going to leave you guys, but I'm going to wait a little while so you don't have to be alone long. Because I don't like leaving my babies. And all day Sunday is Mama and the kitties. Mama and the kitties. I love you. I love you. Okay. Take a nap. Hey guys, I look super rough because my hair is up and I have on no makeup. And I literally put on a t-shirt and like cozy, comfy pants. But I am almost to my parents. It's already almost 6 o'clock. I meant to get in their afternoon around maybe 3 or 4, but I was just trying to get so many things done. I just look like such a slob right now. But it's the nice thing about family. They don't care if you look like crap. So I am going and just gonna like relax for the night, hang out, nothing special, probably eat some dinner. And then tomorrow we're gonna go celebrate my dad's birthday and Zach's birthday. I think we're going to a Mexican restaurant. And I just stopped and got gas and then I didn't put on my seatbelt. I had my seatbelt on before I got gas. So I'm about to stop this and put on my seatbelt because it's windy. I don't know what's going on, but I'll probably vlog a little bit at some point because I know this one has been a snore fest. So I'll try to see what I can do and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it is Saturday. I just did my makeup. We left my parents and I'm with Zach. Wow, rude. We just left. We're going to go to Sonic and get a little something to drink. I want to run by Walgreens or CVS, maybe both, and look for a couple new drugstore products. I don't know, I might get nothing. And then we're just gonna go back and we're gonna go to dinner at around 5 or so at a Mexican restaurant, which I'm excited about. So we're just in the car and then tonight we'll be driving home. I'm still off tomorrow, so hopefully I can get some relaxation in or something. I'm now in Target where I shouldn't be. Look at this little aesthetics trip I'm going on. Look at all these undies. Peaches and sea foamies. I love this tray. This little thing says odds and ends. I'm seeing Insta pictures. This will probably be the one thing I'm like, oh, I don't need it, but it's only $3. Porg, check. And then bumblebee panties. And I'm supposed to be looking for a table, but who can pass up a good porg? Hey guys, I'm driving home now. I wanted to go to Ulta really quick and look for a couple new drugstore products, but they closed like right as I was finishing at Target, but that is for the best. I'm not upset because I spent way too much at Target. I feel like that is the place that is a black hole for your wallet. Like you go in and you need paper towels, or you're looking for one thing and then you leave with like all this stuff. I don't know what happens. I feel drunk when I'm in Target. I definitely feel like I have drank a lot. What is that? Some kind of cable on the road. But yeah, I definitely feel like drunk when I go in Target. Like they get you. I don't know what it is. Maybe they're pumping something in the air. I'll definitely show you all of my goodies when I get home. I got Zach a couple of little things from TJ Maxx for his birthday. I already got him it's called an Elgato to like stream video games. I feel like on Sundays or like on my days off in general, I don't know what I do with my time. Like I just lose it all. Like I went walking around my neighborhood for about an hour. Then I took my yoga mat outside and I did some glute workouts. I did some like fire hydrants, the thing where you kick your leg in the air. I don't remember that. And then I did like crunches. I did different types of crunches and things. So yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did with my day. And then after that I was like, oh, I'm gonna film a video. But I think today I'm just gonna relax for the evening because I do have this vlog to go up tonight, and then I actually do have another video filmed that I can edit between tonight and tomorrow. I can edit that for you guys and put that up either Monday or Tuesday. And then I have a really big video I want to film that's like a total glam look. I'm going to show you guys, like, it's going to be super glam. Like for me, you guys know I wear a lot of makeup, but I won't spoil it because I'm going to do like some different stuff. So it's going to be fun. But it's going to be a very in-depth video to film. So I want to make sure I'm like prepared. I've got other fun things to show you. I've got like a hair straightening brush to share with you guys. I'm gonna have a like affordable accessories haul. So many good things. I'm so excited. And I will talk to you guys when I get home. Minners, no. Do not chew on my carrots. Go, get off my carrots. No.
His carrots.
Those are mine. Seriously? Okay, I need these. No, okay. All right, fine. They're yours. I got these carrots at TJ Maxx for $4 because they had everything on clearance, Easter related, and apparently they belong to Mr. Minna's. Okay, fine. He loves them. He loves his carrots. I saw your tongue sticking out. Okay. So anyway, now that he has stolen one of my items, this is a little overview of some things I got. I'm going to do a big haul, so I'm not going to go in too much depth. But I got this little tray for $5 at like the little, what's it called? Dollar Spot at Target, which I thought was really cute. I will probably eventually use it on my coffee table, but I also think it's going to be really cute for pictures. As is this. This matched some other things that I've gotten from there, but this says odds and ends. It's just a little jar. It was $3. This little baby I found at Target for $3. It's a little seal and it says sealed with a kiss. And I couldn't pass him up. And then, yeah, all of this is from Target actually. So I got a few pairs of underwears. I actually got 5 pair. I was just going to show you like the cute little prints they have, which are cute and springy. And I got this pair of shorts, which are kind of like an ombre, seafoamish to like a peachy color. Yeah, everything is a theme. I swear to God, I just got all the same colors. This little baby was $3.99 at TJ Maxx. It's a little monster. And I'll show you this too. This little like drink thing was also at the Dollar Spot, and this was $3 as well. But I thought that would be cute to have like some lemonade or something in. Very cute and summery. And then the best thing I got is this porg, and I could not leave him there. He's so cute. He was kind of pricey, but he's worth it because this is my new baby. So that is everything I got in my little outing. Minners is loving his carrots, ridiculous. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog now.
I appreciate you guys hanging out and watching with me. Watching with me? No.
I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and taking the time to watch my vlog. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe so you can see all of my fun videos coming up. And I also have 2 giveaways that are still going on for at least a few more days. One is in my spring lookbook. The other is my teeth whitening video, and that's a really good giveaway because you can win an entire whitening system. So definitely don't miss out because there's not too many entries. That video has not been watched many times at all, the teeth whitening one. So you definitely have good odds if you enter that giveaway. So definitely do that. And I will see you guys in my next week's vlog. Bye.